Number 2.
What's wrong, Ian?
Hot. Very hot. Oh, so hot.
Look at his
No.
face.
More milk. No hungry.
Don't throw up on the carpet.
Oh, Christ, more milk. More milk. Move. Move, woman.
Excuse me?
Is it hot?
It's getting hot in here. So take a higher down. Enough. Oh, I can't feel my tongue.
Just get the sauce.
I dare you.
Okay.
What kind of sauce is that, Ian?
Cat talk good.
What kind? I didn't quite hear you. Oh, ghost pepper.
That kind.
Is it good?
Uh-huh.
Milk that's about good.
Oh my god. You are retarded. Oh, not on the carpet. That's my new carpet from IKEA, damn it.
Need more milk.
Was that a little hot? He's got milk dripping off of his fucking face.
No, do it again. I don't think you.
Sit and spin.
Okay.
Whee!
Sinuses are pretty clear. Watch out, dogs. Watch out.
Please don't puke. Please don't puke.
You need an ambulance? You got some balls there, Ian. Some ghost pepper balls.
You know it, baby.
I should go get that tap in here. Dave, I got you some new sauce. Try this. That'd be funny. Excuse me.
I wish I could do that.
Pardon me.
My lips are burning. My throat's on fire. My nose is running.
Isn't the water making it worse?
Yes.
Then why? Then why?
What?
Then why are you doing that?
Because I'm a fucking retard. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, that felt good. Oh, that felt good. Oh, that felt good. That felt good. can. I can, Pearl.
Yeah.
It's okay. Do I look pretty now? No?
Do you want to look pretty?
Well, for you two, yeah, but...
For all of your viewers at home.
Huh? The hairs on my lip are burning.
So what's the next hottest pepper? What's next to come?
The Viper.
Viper?
Yep.
Alright. Make it a date. Where do we get the Viper?
You gotta order it.
Alright.
Can I stop recording now?
Oh, yeah, you can stop.